Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journal. Today we will learn how to stop watching TikTok videos, what you don't care about. So the first step is go to the application of TikTok, and here in your feed, in your profile, you need to go to the option of profile here. And after that, in the menu of your profile, you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. You pick in this button, and after that, you got a little menu in the down part, and you got three options: creator tools, my QR code, and settings and privacy. So you need to pick in settings and privacy, and after that you need to go to the option of content preference. And in the part of content and display, you pick in content preference, and after that you can do these options. First, you can filter video keywords for restrict the keywords like to the algorithm to your profile for you. And after that, you can put the restrict mode if you want to stop see like adult content, or you can refresh your feed for update your feed and start watching new videos like in the all the feed, like update complete your feed. So you can do these three options. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.